Go through a little tool haul for the week. This was first listed as $100. I figured that was too much. Then it was listed at $50, so I jumped on it. Wasn't too far away from home, but it came in this really nice little toolbox, really sturdy. This wasn't really shown. Didn't really know much about it. We got a torque wrench here. You can always use a torque wrench. An egg beater drill. Kind of looks like a Miller's Falls. I don't see anything. It's really stiff. Really stiff. Missing the cap. Whole bunch of different sizes of augers. I think the largest one was the number 20. There's a 14. See, that one's not anything. Is this the 20? This is the 20. It's even double stamped. So 20/16. I mean, you can do the math on that one. Take the tray out. Let's put these away. Alright, so now remove the tray. We've got all these to go through. So let's remember I paid $50 on it. Here's this James and Swan Company. The blade on this is 14 inches. Pretty excited for that. So we got some brace here. This is a Stanley Handyman. This one here, let's see. A Vanco. This one here is a Worth. This one here, made in USA. I don't see anything else on it. This one here, Miller's Falls. On this one here, again made in USA. But the reason why I got this whole lot, it was listed as 100 at first and then 50, was for this one here. Wiley and Russell Manufacturing Company. Don't know if I'll take that paint off or what, but there's. I think this is worth the $50 that I paid for it all in itself. And if you know what this is, give a shout out. But I think for the $50 I paid with the toolbox, it's in really good condition. This, if you know what it is, you know why I'm so excited about it. And this great big draw knife, that's worth $50. So thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.